Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. A couple of quick little announcements while I take a photo for Instagram. There is going to be a $3 Thursday tomorrow on MoreSPC. I did a vote on if you guys would rather have them once a month on Scribble Prints Co or every week on MoreSPC. And MoreSPC did win by quite a bit, so that's where I'll have them for now. So I'll have them every week, and there will be, I think, like 6 or 7 or something like that releases each Thursday. So I'm just going to take a quick picture for Instagram. So that is going to be tomorrow if you're watching this today on Wednesday. And then also this weekend on Friday, when these new releases go up, which new releases always go up at noon Eastern on Friday. And whenever those go up, the first 200 orders, regardless of size, are going to get this adorable little Disney-inspired TN die cut. It is a sticker. I always say I have so many people, I watch videos where they have trouble like getting this off, and I'm like, guys, it's a dream here. So super excited about that. So again, tomorrow, Thursday, our $3 Thursday on MoreSPC, and then this is going to be on Friday on Scribble Prints Co. With these new releases, the first 200 orders, regardless of size of the order, will get this adorable little die cut. So let's go ahead and get into the new releases. I am so excited for this week's new releases. So let's go ahead and get started. Jessica texted me. So I did show the new Hello Kit on my Instagram stories, which I have been doing a lot recently, is kind of like showing you guys stuff on there. And I'm really excited about all the changes that I made. And I think it's a little bit more usable because it's not as glittery, but still quite glittery. I'm like really pumped about it. I'm also pumped about the colors. April's like my month because it's a Scribble Prints Co. Anniversary, which this year is our 4-year anniversary, which is totally crazy. And it's also my birthday. I'll be 26 this year. I've been doing this since I was 22. So let's go ahead and get started. So you have the new freebie on here with all of the glitter. I love these colors. It's so fun for spring and also April. I feel like these two colors remind me of the very, very old Erin Condren April colors, the like purple and the teal, super cute. Then you have the front page with your deco, which I kept not glittery. It's all like butterflies and flowers. Then you have your scribblers down on the bottom. You have cleaning ones, so you have taking out the trash, washing the dishes, and then also with the little feather duster. So super cute. So some of the changes that I made are making things a little less glittery, like I said, just a couple of things. So I took these used to be like full glitter, and now they just have glitter spurts in the corner, which I think are so cute. They're like a spurt that I've never used. I used a lot of different like design things to overlay glitter up on the corners, but I haven't used this one before. Then you have this same page here, which has your headers and your washi. Same here with your half boxes and functional items, your little things, and solid washi and labels. And then again, instead of these being all glitter, they just have the little spurts in the corners. And then here you have your full boxes, which are the same with your Hello April in the corner. And then here is the washi page. I did do this quite a while ago, so it was before I decided to do date covers. The next Hello Kit will have date covers, and they will look like the rest of them with the little like outline, and I'll do them in all the different colors to coordinate with where the bottom washi is. I think that's gonna look so cute. But I just think the small changes are really, really fun. I think that the like picking a deco and kind of like picking the colors based on the deco. Obviously I could change the color of the deco. But yeah, I think that turned out really, really cute. And I don't know, I'm just like really excited. I was thinking about doing like some kind of like designs over the glitter full boxes, but I didn't know if you guys who are like hardcore Hello fans would mind that or not. So you have the same pages here, and then this is the page with the half boxes, then you have your bottom washi and your deco and stuff. So the only thing that changed on there is the like functional page with the glitter amountage on there. So that is Hello April. So excited for next month. So pumped. I'm almost finished with it. Usually I'm like, I have them sent to the print, sent to Kirsten already, but not this month. So you do have the ultimate kit, the mini kit. The mini kits usually do sell out the fastest. I mention that every week. Then you have an option to add on the glitter sampler, which I love these colors, as well as the personal washi if you want to add that on as well. So that is Hello April. Next we'll go on to the monthly items. So we'll go right into the Hello April monthly, which I'm so excited about. It's so pretty. This is pretty much the same as it always is. So you have your, let me bring out April so you guys can see this. Okay, so you have your April. It's like a little piece of dust that's just like everywhere. So you have your 2 boxes here, and then your 2 boxes here, however which way you want to do them, or this way and this way, whatever you want to do. That actually makes the most sense because it would mirror the top. But so then you have your so you have these, which are freebies, and then you have your top bar and your little what are these? Holidays. And the SPC 4-year is on the 29th, which is cool because it's on the same week as my birthday. It doesn't happen often because, oh, I'm not even zoomed. I should probably zoom out just a little bit. So the 23rd and 29th are like exactly like 7 days apart. So this is gonna be the beginning of the week and the end of the week. So it's my birthday and also the anniversary, which I think is really, really cool. Then you have, and then also my birthday isn't for me. Like it's for you. If it's your birthday, then you can put my birthday on your birthday. That makes sense. Which has been on the past couple. Then you have your full boxes, your labels, your sidebar area, which I did in a solid color this time. And I thought that that might look really nice just because there's a lot of gradient going on. And then it kind of like goes down from this pink area, which I think is kind of cool. And then you can totally like put this here and then have the pink come here. Or if you want to like separate the pink, you could do that. It doesn't really matter. It's up to you. Then you have this page here, which I did do a gradient glitter on the dates, which I think turned out really, really cool. So it's going to kind of go like in a gradient all the way through, which I think will be nice. And then you have your bottom strips and your labels and such. And don't forget that I did do for this spring multicolor, if you need more labels and stuff and like things that like do's and little like squared off half boxes, I do have for the spring multicolor, like a little monthly pack that has 4 pages with all different stuff in there. So if you ever find yourself running out, definitely check that out. Then I'll go ahead into, oh yes, and then I'll go into the other monthly option. So this is the non-Hello option. I wanted to keep this fairly simple as far as the art. I feel like you guys often do like the all like floral items and things like that. So I really thought this was a really pretty option. And I think that these might be, no, I was thinking these might be the papers that, these were the like koala bloomsicle papers, which I wasn't like a huge fan of the koalas, so I figured I'd use them as a monthly. That's kind of what I do sometimes. If I don't love like a specific item in the art, I'll save it for a monthly and just omit that item. So you do have, again, the items for the bottom, which are freebies, and then you have this here, and I love the pop of purple against the pastels. I think it's a really pretty option. And again, I feel like the purple and the teal do remind me a lot of the old Erin Condren color, so it definitely takes me back. And then you have the all pink glitter, like faux glitter date covers, and your bottom area. I love these glitters. I think they're so cute. So that is your non-glitter option. The non-glitter option also does come with an a la carte item if you want to add on, which I didn't put the little Scribble Prints Co here just for packaging because it does run kind of big. So I just took that off. But you could do the deco sidebar for this one, and I left it just like a floral because, again, I wanted to keep this pretty simple, and that is an add-on. I think it's $1.45 or something, I don't know. But it's an add-on if you want to add that on. March had one as well, which had a girl on it. But, yeah, this one is just like a floral, which is really pretty. And then, as always, that format does have an option if you want to do the personal kit, which I realized like recently a lot of you guys have been buying a lot more of. So I have been stocking more of these. I think they're really, really cute. I think some of you guys might be using these in like TNs maybe. I'm not sure which ones, maybe the personal size ones or just making them work in other ones, but super, super cute. And also, if I'm going too fast, all these listings will have pictures on them, so you guys can check those out. So let's go ahead and go into Pastel Petals, which is such a pretty collection. It's very springtimey. I try to, like, I feel like with Christmas, it's okay to have like a million kits because like everyone, not everyone, but a lot of people do want to do like Christmas kits all month, but I don't know if people want to do like Easter kits all month. So I tried to take some of the art that was released and make it more springtimey, just so that you didn't have like, I didn't have like 10,000 Easter kits and then you're like, I really like this, but I already have an Easter kit and I don't want to do 10 weeks of Easter. Got you. This could also be like a spring kit. So you have your freebie here, which is so cute. I'm actually like, I'm just in love with this new freebie. I just think it's so fun. I'm so glad that I made them bigger. Then you have your deco on top, which again, you have the Easter, like the bunny, so it could be like kind of Eastery, but everything else just kind of screams spring. You could take these as Easter eggs, or you could kind of look at them as bird eggs. Somebody messaged me that on Instagram, and I was like, that's a good idea. Then you do have these little scribblers down here, which these are actually unreleased. I'll probably be releasing these in a week or two in Easter sheets. So you have a little bunny girl, you have a girl holding a little candle, and then you have another girl peeking out from her little Easter egg, which is super cute, and the colors match the kit. So for this one, I wanted to do something a little different, and I actually took one of the pieces of art, and like, it's kind of hard to explain, but I got like the outline of it. It's like kind of like complicated, but not complicated way to do it. But, and I took the outline, so it's actually like kind of flowers, and then I overlaid the glitter on it, which I thought kind of gave this like a little bit of a unique twist. The weekend banner here is marble with like glitter in the corners, silver glitter, and then I did do the silver glitter for the half boxes. You have your patterned washi, which you do have some of that marble in there to pull in. I love these colors. They're so pretty and pastel. And then you can kind of see that pattern here more with the like floral wreath type thing in the background. I thought that looked really, really cute and really cool. Again, very unique. And then you do have your full boxes here. So it says, all right, spring, do your thing. And then you have, which my favorite piece of art in this was the nest. I thought this was really, really pretty. You have your girl here and your hand taking a picture of the flowers and egg. And then you do have this here, which is so cute. I totally forgot I did this. I'm so excited. Okay, so you have your extra box here, which has another option with the girl. It's kind of a little bit of a different pose. Sometimes I do kind of like make them exactly the same, but I just wanted to kind of vary it a little bit so it looked different if you wanted to use both of them. But I did do that double washi look, which I did do in the Bloom kit, which is going to come out next week. I'll show you guys that if you didn't watch my plan with me. But this is the Bloom kit, which is going to come out next week, which is my first photo kit. And what I did for the washi is kind of made it look like two stacked washis. And instead of cutting them, I just put a little bit of white in the middle so that you don't have to worry about trying to line up two washis straight. Like, who wants to do that? One's hard enough. But I love this kit. It's so pretty, and I thought it turned out really, really cute. So I went ahead and did the same thing here where I did the pattern, and then I did like a faux washi on top with the marble, and then the little eggs and all the different colors kind of facing different ways. I thought that turned out really cute. And then you have your date covers, which are the same. I've been obsessed with these date covers. I think they're so cute, so simple. I think that they're not crazy if you want to use them for white space planning. I think that if you're using them for no white space planning, I still think it's like enough to like just give you something up top. I'm in love with them. I love them so much. I'm so happy with them, and I'm just obsessed, and I don't know. I just love them so much. So that is everything in that. I do want to mention that the way that this is formatted, it's a little hard to do it on the mini kit. I think the mini kit washi is a little bit smaller than this washi, not by a lot, but it just makes it a little harder to format. So this like double washi bit is going to be kind of exclusive to the ultimate kit. So yes, that's why I did with the Bloom kit, the mini kit, the washi page is pretty much the ultimate format without the deco, if that makes sense. Which if you guys watched that video, you all saw the format, the mini kit for the Bloom kit. The Bloom kit is exclusive as a mini kit, and the washi is the same as the ultimate pretty much, so if that makes sense. So you have your freebie here, you have your full boxes, you have your mini kit sheet, and you have your half boxes page, and then this again, it just has the regular washi because it is a little bit smaller. I don't even know if anybody ever noticed that. And then you have your deco here, and then your washi there. So that is the mini kit, and like I always mention, the mini kits usually do sell out the fastest. Have been stocking more of them because they sold out like really fast last week, which was crazy. Also for these, you do have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, which is my new favorite glitter texture, and then you also have the option to add on the personal washi if you'd like to do that as well. My camera's dying. And then last but not least, we have the What Would Olivia Pope Do WWOPD, the Scandal kit, and I'm so pumped about this. I think it turned out so cute. This is an ultimate kit exclusive. It does come with this. I was going to do this a la carte, but I just decided to throw it in because why not? I love you guys. Then you have your freebie. You have this page here, which has your tall box with Olivia, which she is amazing. I became obsessed with Prada bags because Olivia Pope like used them, and then like I was like, I want to wear capes and stuff because Olivia Pope, let's just be real. And then you have some cut out little quotes, and then you have another box here. I wanted to put this in the main kit, but it was kind of like, has a bad word in it, and I was like, I don't know if everyone wants bad words on their kit, so I was just leaving it there. If you want to add it in, you can. If you don't, you don't. Then I put some deco here, and then you have some like red, you have the little girl with the wine glass on her computer and with books. I thought those were kind of cute for the theme. You have some deco, which there's like Huck's tool chest. You have like a little Vote Grant sticker, Vermont Jam. So cute, little B613 folder. And then I did do the series finale. And then also if like, let's say you haven't watched it yet, or if you want to buy two and like, because you know later on you're going to binge watch Scandal, because you know I am. I'm going to probably use this again later whenever I do binge watch it. Then you have this, which again, I did something a little different with the glitter. And I tried to make it a little bit more grungy looking by making the pattern a little bit more abstract and minimal. You have your half boxes page, because like you can kind of see these are a little bit more grungy and minimal like textures, and again you can kind of see it a little bit better here. It's really cool though. I like it. I might pull this texture in for another kit. And then you have your full boxes here, which has your White House, you have the toolbox in the B613 folder, the American flag, and the popcorn and wine, Olivia Pope. You have President Grant's little lapel area. What would Olivia Pope do? The white hat and her Prada purse, which she always has her Prada purses with her. And then you have a little drawer that says Olivia Pope and Associates, and then you have that double washi look again. And then for the date covers, you have the red outline, which is really, really, really pretty. So love that so much. And that is the exclusive. Oh, this is exclusive art too. I forgot to mention that, but it's exclusively a mini kit. But I'm so excited, and I do have like ideas for other like TV shows and movies I want to do, but Scandal's ending soon. I believe it's in like mid-April it's ending. I think April really works out for me because I have like my birthday and that and something else that month, and then right after is like Jessica's birthday. So I have like all my kits are like pretty set. Oh, Easter's in there. So really, really excited, and I know that you guys are really, really pumped about this. And you can also add on the glitter headers if you want, which are in my new favorite glitter texture. And that is everything for this week's new releases. Don't forget the first 200 orders for these releases Friday at noon Eastern will get one of these vinyl die cut stickers, and also we will be having a $3 Thursday on MoreSPC tomorrow, Thursday. So I will talk to you guys at my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.